Hello student, welcome to DSCJ Home Classes, a digital initiative by Directorate of School Education Jammu. Myself Lal Singh, teacher, Government High School, Chandrapur, District Gram 1, class 6 to 10, subject English Grammar, topic Models. तो मॉडल्स पे हम बात कर रहे थे। अभी पिछले वीडियोस में हमने पिछले जो 4-5 वीडियोस हमने डिस्कस किए, उन वीडियोस में हमने पहले बात की किसकी, कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, विल, शैल, शुड, वुड, मस्ट, और उसके साथ हमने बात की मस्ट, यूज टू, मस्ट, आट टू की बात की, और आट टू के बाद हम बात की नीड यानी नीड की बात की। अब हम बात करते हैं डेयर एंड यूज टू। डेयर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सेमी मॉडल एज इट कैन बी यूज एज मैन वर्ब एज वेल एज model verbs या model auxiliary. Here is also called semi models as it can be used as a main verb as well as modal verbs. Use of dare as a model. In the affirmative, dare is used like a main verb, that is dares in the present, dared in past. But in the negative and interrogative, it can be either like a main verb or like a modal auxiliary, that is it is semi modal. He dared to oppose you. He dares to oppose you. He does not dare to oppose you. Does he dare to oppose you? Do you dare to speak against him? It is interrogative sentence. You do not dare to speak against him. We do not dare to talk to the president. We do not dare to talk to the president. Use of dare as a model. He dare not say like this. He dare not say like this. I dare not talk to the chairman. Dare he not say like this? Dare I talk to the chairman? He dare not oppose you. Dare he oppose you? Dare she complain against you? She dare not complain against you. The ordinary verb construction is more commonly used. The construction how dare you, how dared he, she, they express indignation. How dare you speak like this? How dare my wife live without my permission? How dare you act in this manner? How dare he say so? Infinitive after dare. In theory, the negative and interrogative form of dare with do/did are followed by the infinitive to, but in practice to is often omitted. जैसे he doesn't dare say anything or to say something. Did he dare say anything or to say anything? Dare I, he, you, they, we, sign up into etc. And dare not construction take the infinitive without to. Dare we disturb you? They dare not go. When dare is preceded by nobody, anybody, etc., the to is optional. When dare is preceded by anybody, nobody, etc., the to is optional. Nobody dare to commit like that. Nobody dare to commit like that. Nobody dare commit like that. Somebody dare complain in that matter. Somebody dare to complain in the matter. To complain in. Dare is not often used in affirmative except in the construction. I dare say. Dare say has two meaning. I dare say. Dare say has two meaning. One, I suppose. One is I suppose, another I accept what you say, but it doesn't make any difference. Dare पहला मीनिंग आई सपोज वाला बात करते हैं. आई डेयर ही विल कम, यानी आई डेयर ही विल कम. सपोज आई सपोज, आई डेयर का मतलब है आई सपोज. आई डेयर से दे विल बी हैप्पी टू गेट दिस न्यूज़. सपोज. डेयर आई एक्सेप्ट व्हाट यू से. Indian tourist, but I drive on the left in India. इंडियन टूरिस्ट ने कहा क्या था इंडिया में, बट आई ड्राइव ऑन द लेफ्ट इन इंडिया. स्विस policeman, I dare say you do, but we drive on the right here. Traveler, but the watch was gifted me, I didn't buy it. Customer officer, I dare say you didn't, but you will have to pay duty on it. Note, dare say is used in this way with the first person singular only. अब हमारे पास आ जाता है used to. Used to has no present tense. Used to is followed by the full infinitive to. To express a discontinuous habit or the past situation which is no more in the present. He used to drink daily. He used to drink daily. No, he does not drink. He used to drink daily. No, he does not drink. And is meant to express discontinuous habit or a past situation which is no more in the present. Of present में he used to drink daily. No, he does not drink. I used to smoke one packet cigarette. No, I did not smoke. He used to go for a walk. No, he does not go for a walk. Used is also used as a adjective meaning accustomed. It is the preceded by be form of verb or become or get in any tense and followed by the preposition to. I am used to take tea in the morning. I am used to take tea in the morning. He is used to read newspaper with morning tea. He would soon used to live at Mumbai. He would soon used to live at Mumbai. I am used to the cooler's noise. I am used to working in a noisy room. You will soon get to use in the traffic regulation. You will soon get to use in the traffic regulations. Note the use of used to in negative and interrogative sentences. I used not to smoke daily. It is negative sentence. Or I did not use to smoke earlier. It is also negative sentence. He used to play chess at college. It is affirmative sentence. He used to play chess at college. Affirmative sentence. He did not used to, he didn't use to play chess at college. It is negative sentence. Used he play chess at college. It is interrogative sentence. Did he used to play chess at college? It is also interrogative sentence. For making negative of such sentences, we can use either used to or did not or used to in interrogative sentences. We can use either used plus subject plus to or did plus subject plus use plus to structure as shown above. Note, it is never followed by an use. Use is not followed by an infinitive. He is not used to speak the truth. I am not used to talking so loudly. I am not used to talking so loudly. Thank you.